is an airplane, wings spread wide. It kisses the clouds on a silver glide. B is a bus with seats in a row, stories and laughter wherever it goes. C goes. C is a cement mixer, swirling its song, a dance of stone all day long, long. D is a dump truck, rugged and grand, carrying earth in its mighty hand. E is an excavator, strong and wise, scooping secrets where the dark soil lies. Truck, a crimson flame, sirens sing as heroes came. G is a garbage truck, hums through the dawn, gone with the mess before it's drawn. H is a helicopter, slicing the breeze, a dragonfly darting above the trees. I is an ice cream truck, jingly and sweet, chilling dreams in summer heat. J is a jet with a thunderous cheer, vanishing fast and crystal clear. K is a kayak, gentle and low, skimming on waters where moonflowers grow. L is a locomotive, steady and deep, pulling the stars while the valleys sleep. M is a motorcycle, swift as a sigh, whispers of freedom rushing by. N is a navy ship, brave in the blue, holding the line as oceans renew. O is an oil tanker, slow and vast, with echoes of whales in its watery past. Q is a quad bike, muddy and bold, leaping through tales that never grow old. Q is a road roller, patient and round, smoothing the earth with a thunderous sound. O is a sailboat with canvas wide, cradled by waves on a shimmering tide. D is a taxi, nimble and fast, city lights in its window glass. U is a water sock, daring and tall, wobbling wonders at circus call. V is a van, a traveler's den, carrying dreams from now to then.